leader 6 after the landing, A380 and short final, enter runway 26 left at Delta 1.
After landing, A380, short final, enter
degrees, 7 knots, gusting, run 8.
Clear to land, turn 6 left, or something like 45 1.
To the hotel, report passing altitude 4,000 feet.
Okay, that's right.
November, contact landing control 120.525 and thanks for your help. Bye-bye.
120.525 is just to the correct. No, no, 243 turning up.
Shuttle 243.